Zhejiang Ounuo Machinery Group launched the Corrugated digital printing machine CMW-250, a real industrial host machine weighing up to 5 tons. The machine adopts the original imported Epson piezoelectric nozzle, which is equipped with special corrugated latex electronic ink. The standard configuration is C, M, Y, and K, 4 primary colors, with more beautiful colors and higher color concentrations. The products printed by the machine are waterproof and sunscreens, and the nozzle will not be blocked during the printing. The independently developed wrap system and the printing software provide a customized solution for different industries. The maximum printing format of this machine is 2.5 meters by 2 meters, and the thickness of corrugated cardboards that can be printed is between 1.5 millimeters and 20 millimeters. Corrugated digital printing has the characteristic of printing on demand without plate making. The operation of corrugated digital printing machine is intelligent and simple, requiring only one worker. It is a good helper for making small orders, supplementing orders, and pending orders. Ounuo Corrugated digital printing machine CMW-250 is the ideal choice for you to print corrugated cardboard boxes. Ounuo Machinery Group welcomes you to visit, and we will offer you the